Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this picture on the screen, and I'm just turning it to a fraction. So we need to see how much is in total. So we count them out. There's 5 on this side. 10. And 10. So we go 10. And then what's on the other side that has the dots in it? There's 5. 5 divided by 10, 0.5, 0.5, then you do 100 times it, 100 times, which is 50, and that's just 50. So yeah, thanks for asking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Subscribe. And if you're new here, we make math videos and funny videos on our YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Peace. Bye. Bam.